Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope you are enjoying to see my all videos. Am I right? Okay, let's start the lesson of the day. But you know what should you do before starting the lesson? Yes, make happy faces like this. Have you made happy faces? Okay, now we will start the lesson. And the letter of the day is U. This is capital U and this is small u. And this letter has two sounds. A sound and J sound. A, Y. Understand? How many sounds? This letter has two sounds. A, Y. We will learn A sound words first of all. Look at this. What is it? We use it in summer season and rainy season also. Do you remember what is it? Yes, it is umbrella. Umbrella begins with phonic A. Umbrella. A, umbrella. Okay, look at next friend. This is an arrow and it shows some direction. It shows up direction. Up. Okay? Upward direction. Up. Up. Okay. I have one picture. These boys are going upstairs. 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 I have one more picture of up. Look at this. This arrow shows up. This girl is pointing upward. This boy is going upstairs. This balloon is going up. This parachute is going up. This kite is going up. It means this picture shows up. All things shows upward direction. Okay. Now I have one more picture. What is this? This is a bridge. And what is this? River. Some water in the river. And the river is under the bridge. The river is under the bridge. Under. Okay. Look at this mouse. This mouse is under this wall. Under. Okay, look at this. This is a table. And what is under the table? A car is under the table. Under. Look at this. This is a chair. And what is this? It is a ball. And the ball is under the chair. Under. One more picture of under. I know you like it. What is this? This is a slide. What? This boy is sitting under the slide. Under. Okay. Now look at this man. Do you know who is he? He is umpire. He is umpire. Umpire. Okay. Now look at this girl. Have you looked? This is a girl. And who is he? Who is he? He is uncle of this girl. Who is uncle is of this girl? Uncle. Uncle. Have you uncle? Do you love your uncle? He is also an uncle of this boy. Uncle. Uncle. Okay. Now I have two friends of U sound. I have told already to you that U has two sounds, A sound and Y sound. We have learned A sound words. Now I have two friends of Y sound word. Look at this. He is a boy. He is a student. Look, he has a bag, white shirt and grey pant and grey tie also. Where he is going? Is he going in the hospital? No. Is he going in the marriage ceremony? No. He is going to school and he is wearing uniform. He is wearing uniform. Uniform begins with phonic Y. Y, uniform. Y, uniform. Okay. Look at this and this thing and these things. Do you know what are these? These are utensils. These are utensils. Y, utensils. Have you seen all the utensils? I have original utensils. Look at this. This one. This one. These all are utensils. These all are what these are? Utensils. These all are utensils. I hope you will learn it and never forget it. These all are utensils. We use utensils in the kitchen for cooking. Okay. Now at the end, you have to make a big clap for yourself. Okay. And find some more examples of letter. Tell me. U, which has two sounds, A sound and Y sound. Okay. Find some more friends and tell me in comment box. Please like my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel and put comments in comment box. Okay. We will see in the next video. Till Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section.